Hey friends, we're out here knocking out a repair. Got a home for sale that's actually got a pending offer. The seller contacted us and wanted to get a assessment, as the buyer wanted to kind of know what they were getting into with the roof situation. So took a look at it. Not a new roof, but still has some life to it. So we went ahead and kind of gave our diagnosis and gave an idea of what it would take to do various steps of improvement. They opted to go ahead and do a repair. So we're going to put on 3 new boots for all the vent pipes. We are going to, we've switched out one shingle. They had one blow off shingle. And then we're actually going to do a cleaning. So we've got our copper cat cleaner. Quick little pitch. This is a great idea. Realtor friends, give us a holler. Great solution. So as you are listing a home, if you're looking at a roof that is all streaked up and ugly and looks like it needs replaced even though it's in fairly decent repair, this can be a great way to extend life and kind of bring back the confidence for buyers. Nothing wrong with it. Generally the blue-green algae that shows like black streaking makes the roof look ugly, doesn't necessarily hurt it in terms of actual function, but as a buyer, if you're not really familiar with all the roofing implications of that, you might get a little bit nervous and say it looks like the roof is older than it really is. So great solution. We can clean your roof for about $30 a square. This is all organic. It will not kill the landscaping, so anything that's going to be sprayed on there will run off through gutters, come back down. Bushes, plants, everything else will still be safe. You're not going to have long-term damage or all of a sudden, dead landscaping or stains on concrete, nothing like that. Might actually just clean the concrete a little bit, but as a general rule, this is going to be a great solution to go ahead and get your appearance of your home looking probably 1,000 times better, because most of these homes are gorgeous. It's just that roof that's kind of sticking out and saying like, I wish that looked better. And so we can handle that. $30 a square, what does that mean? So every 100 square feet is a square. At $30 each, a roof like this is going to run somewhere in the neighborhood of $400 or just over. That's doing the entire roof. A lot of roofs can get away with doing half. So even a much larger home, you're looking at probably hundreds of dollars, which is obviously, in the world of roofing, a relatively low cost proposition. So if that sounds good, give us a call. We'd love to help you out, get those homes sold, make your home look better. Whatever we can do to help, we're here.